Have you ever wondered how to convert a PDF file into an editable Word document? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to convert a PDF file into a Word document with ease using Microsoft Word. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to convert PDFs into editable Word documents. But before we dive into the steps, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to convert PDFs to Word, and please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us create content that's tailored to your needs. Start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you'll need to download and install Microsoft Word. Next, locate the PDF file that you want to convert. This PDF can contain various elements like text, images, and even graphics. Now here's where it gets interesting. Simply drag the PDF file from your desktop or any location where it's stored and drop it into your open Microsoft Word window. As soon as you drop the PDF file into Word, a dialog box will appear. It will notify you that Word is about to convert your PDF into an editable Word document. The message also mentions that the result may not look identical to the original PDF, but the conversion process is generally impressive. Click OK to initiate the conversion process. Microsoft Word will then perform the conversion. You will see the transformed version of the PDF inside your Word document. In most cases, Word does a commendable job of retaining the content's layout and structure. You can now start editing the Word document. Text, images, tables, and various other elements within the PDF will be fully editable in Word. Some minor adjustments might be required, especially if the layout doesn't align perfectly. For instance, you can adjust the position of images or reformat text. Microsoft Word provides the necessary tools for these edits. Once you're satisfied with the Word document's content, you can save it as a docs file or any other desired format. That's it. You've successfully converted your PDF file into an editable Word document using Microsoft Word. It's a practical solution for scenarios where you need to edit or work with the content from a PDF file. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching, and for additional tutorials and resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.